because it's a lot of fun, right? Like, so creating new things, seeing them actually blossom into something that works, like starting from the seed of a conceptual idea. So that is great. That's a lot of fun. And seeing other people adopt it and build on top of it, that's awesome. And then specifically in an academic setting, you also combine this with a lot of academic freedom, right? Like, so you choose how to spend your energy and what to research, what to do, and what not to do, which path to follow, and that's just beautiful. It focuses on so-called on-premise behavior foundation models. So those are like these big type of foundation models like ChatGPT, Claude, and so on, but for robotics, right? And we're trying to make them smaller, more efficient, less data heavy, such that we can actually deploy them on-premise. I actually want to see our efficient or on-premise behavior foundation models being deployed in the real world on robots, on specialist robots for specific tasks, but also generous robots that help us in our day-to-day life, right? And basically having robots helping us in a useful way.